Hello YouTubers. Today with Team Donovan, we'll be making baked macaroni and cheese with bacon. But before that, please like and subscribe. Okay, so let's start with the bacon. Going ahead and add up a full pan. Next we'll flip it over, cooking evenly. And then we'll rest it on paper towels to remove the excess grease. And we'll add some more for a total of 9. You can add more, of course, if you'd like to. We'll remove those for the resting as well and remove grease. And then we'll start with 16 ounces of pasta cooked al dente. And while that's cooking, we'll make the cream of 2.5 cups of heavy cream. And paprika. Ground mustard. A little bit extra ground mustard. Ground sea salt. Freshly ground pepper. And some minced garlic. About a couple cloves worth. And then we'll whisk it all together. Now the cheese. We're using about a little over half a pound of Gouda cheese. A little time consuming to shred it yourself, but if you got the time, why not take it? And voila. Next we'll add the cooked pasta. Remember, al dente. And we'll add the cream mixture that we made. Mix it all up. Make sure the cheese is evenly spread. And then we'll top it off with Parmigiano Reggiano. Sprinkled on top. And then don't forget to add the bacon, like I did. Silly mistake, but they happen. Mix it together again. And what I like to do is sprinkle a little bit of leftover bacon on top. And we'll throw it in the oven at 350 for about 45 minutes. Now that it's done, we'll pull it out. And voila. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. Serve and enjoy. Once again, please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Yum.